In this video, I'm going to show you how to find keywords for your video. So for this example, let's say we're we're posting a video on YouTube, and we want it to be on weight loss, and we want to put in some keywords on there so that it'll rank well. So let's just type in weight loss here. I've already typed it in. The site that I'm on is called ubersuggest.org. So it's spelled ubersuggest.org. And so you just type in weight loss, click suggest, and as you can see, there's 280 suggestions found. And let's just click on some of them here. So let's say there's let's see here, weight loss blogs. Let's just say you want to choose that one. Weight loss diet. Okay, and once you've selected all the keywords you want, you would just go to here and click on get, and there, so it's ready for you to just copy and paste, and all the work's been done for you.